Welcome to the Masterly Legal Solutions Estate Planning video series. In today's episode, we are going to discuss how the failure to properly prepare an estate plan, such as a will, can cause chaos in a family. John had finally found the love of his life, so he proposed to Lisa in front of his future in-laws that loved him like their own son. Lisa said yes, and John thought this was only the beginning of his dream. John and Lisa had a perfect life, from being engaged, having great careers, and buying a home together. Fast forward 2 years, John and Lisa are now living the American dream and getting ready for their big wedding in a week. One day driving from the movies, John got into a bad car accident, sending his soon-to-be bride Lisa to the hospital with severe injuries. Sadly, Lisa passed away from her injuries only days before the wedding. Lisa's family blamed John for her death. Unfortunately, Lisa passed away without a will. As a result, the angry parents were going to make sure everything Lisa and John bought together was not going to John. Because Lisa died intestate, the state gave Lisa's portion of what she bought with John and all of her assets to the parents and nothing to John. The lesson learned here today is that without proper estate planning, such as the creation of a will or trust, the state will decide what to do with your hard-earned assets, property, investments, and bank accounts. If Lisa had a will, the love of her life, John, would not have been put through an ugly court battle with her parents and forced to sell the house. There are 4 essential components of an estate plan that you should address immediately with an attorney. First, have a valid will drafted to identify your beneficiaries, give gifts, and determine who will administer your affairs after your death. Second, name guardians in the event something happens to you that you can trust to take care of your children. Third, create a durable power of attorney to allow a designated person to make decisions on your behalf in the event you are incapacitated or pass away. Lastly, in your estate plan, there should be medical directives to give your loved ones the power to determine whether or not you wish to remain on life support or continue medical treatment in various circumstances. Masterly Legal Solutions prides itself in being the premier choice in estate planning. Here is what separates us from other law firms: free consultations, in-home and virtual services so our clients can be in the comfort of their homes. We provide a power of attorney at no additional cost. First-class service from an attorney with big law experience that has a perfect score of 10.0 according to Avvo. We proudly serve clients in Texas, North Carolina, and the District of Columbia from our 2 locations in Dallas, Texas, and Houston, Texas. Schedule your free consultation with our licensed attorney today, so we can map out your estate plan. Law firms normally charge hundreds of dollars for these calls, but we are confident that after speaking to us that you will immediately recognize why Masterly Legal Solutions is the premier choice in estate planning. You can either give us a call, email us, or click on the link below to schedule the free consultation.